Sunday night, you open your weekly to-do list, you stare at it, close it, open it again, close it again. This isn't laziness. This is what a system overload looks like. You go to sleep thinking, tomorrow I'll finally start. Tomorrow comes and you're back here again. You've tried planners, timers, early mornings. Nothing stuck. Because the problem was never the tool, it was the system. Now watch this. I take that same list. I paste it into AI one line. Hit enter. In 40 seconds, I have a full day plan, 3 priorities, and 1 first step. No mental effort, no hour of thinking. Stop. Write this down right now. This is your first AI prompt. It's yours free right now. Copy this into Chat GPT tonight. But this is just the beginning. What you just saw, that's day 0. Every day for the next 21 days, a new video, a new AI tool, a new life hack. By day 21, you'll have a complete AI-powered life system, built piece by piece, starting tonight. Win was exactly like this. He had a job. He had goals. He had 0 forward movement. Not because he was weak, because he had no system. This is the story of how he found one. Maybe it's your story too. Then, one night, instead of scrolling, Win typed one sentence into AI. 8 minutes later, he had a plan. Not a perfect plan, a real one. And he started. Today I'm showing you the full system. 5 steps, 3 AI prompts, and a 21-day map. Then, every single day, a new video, a new tool, a new level. Let's go. This isn't laziness. You're overwhelmed. There's a difference, and then tonight we fix it. What if I told you that 21 days, just 10 minutes a day, could rewire how you think, work, and live? Not motivation, not willpower, a system, one that works even on your worst days. This is day 0, the last time you go to sleep without a plan. In the next 14 minutes, I'll show you the full roadmap. 5 steps, real results. Starting tonight, you've read the books, tried the apps, set the 5 a.m. alarm, and still, nothing stuck. Here's why. Every system you tried was built on motivation. But motivation is a spark, not a fuel. It lights up and disappears in 3 days. What you need isn't more motivation. You need a system that runs even when you don't feel like it. Like an engine, not a spark. Step 1. Brain dump. This is where everything starts. Getting the chaos out of your head and onto paper. Your brain was never designed to plan. It's a storage unit. And right now, it's full. That's why you can't start. Open your notes app or grab paper. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Write everything in your head. No filter, no order, just write. Work deadlines, money worries, gym guilt. That call you keep avoiding. The idea you haven't started. Write it all. Timer rings. Look at that page. Everything that was in your head is now out. That's the first win. You didn't solve anything yet. And that's fine. You just unloaded the system. Now it can run again. Step 2. 3 priorities. Look at your list. Ask yourself one question. If I could only do 3 things today, which ones actually matter? Not 10, not 5. 3. Your brain can hold 3, more than that, and it shuts down. Circle your 3 most important items. Cross out everything else without guilt. You're not ignoring them. You're scheduling sanity. These 3 things are your entire day. If you do all 3, the day was a success. If you do 1, still a win. Here's the science. The more decisions you make, the worse each one gets. 3 priorities eliminate decision fatigue before the day starts. And if you can't decide, use AI. Here's the exact prompt I use every morning. Copy this. Paste your brain dump. Get your 3 priorities in 60 seconds. Within seconds, a clear plan. Not a perfect plan, a starting plan. That's all you need. Brain dump plus 3 priorities using AI, 8 minutes, every morning. That's your new baseline. Now you have a list. Now you have a plan. Now, let's talk about actually starting. Step 3. The tiny win. This is the most important step and the most underestimated. You have your priority. You know what to do. But you're frozen. You can't start. Why? This is called start resistance. Your brain creates a threat response around anything uncertain or uncomfortable. It's not weakness, it's wiring. The solution is simple. Tell yourself, I'm only doing the first 2 minutes, not the whole task. Just open it. Just start. One step? That's it. Open the document. Write one sentence. Make one call. Begin. Once you start, the brain wants to finish. This is the Zeigarnik effect. Incomplete actions pull your mind forward automatically. You said 2 minutes, but now you're 10 minutes in. Then 20. The starting was the only hard part. Task 1, done. That moment when you check it off, that's a tiny win. And tiny wins compound. That one check mark triggers dopamine. Your brain says, we can do this. It wants more. That's the system working. One tiny win a day, 21 days. That's 21 dopamine hits. 21 reasons your brain starts trusting you again. Step 4, the focus block. 25 minutes of real, uninterrupted work. This is where tiny wins become real results. Rule 1, phone away. Not on silent, not face down, away. Notifications are designed to interrupt you. That's the business model. One task only. Timer on, begin. If another thought arrives, write it down and come back. No guilt, just return. 25 focused minutes equal nearly 3 hours of work with your phone beside you. That's not an opinion. It takes 23 minutes to regain focus after one interruption. When a thought interrupts, and it will, don't chase it. Write it on your side note and return immediately. Acknowledge, park, return. Timer rings. Stop. This is not optional. 5 minutes of rest is part of the system, not a reward. Your brain needs it. After 5 minutes, and you can run another block. Or stop. Either is fine, you already won. The first block is the hardest. Before your focus block, try this AI prompt. It builds your 25-minute plan so your brain doesn't have to. Copy this prompt. Paste your task. Get a focused work plan in seconds. Phone away. Timer on. One task. Stray thoughts parked. Break taken. That's a focus block. Simple, repeatable, powerful. Step 5, AI assist. This is the step that makes everything else faster, clearer, and easier. Starting tonight. Most people spend 40 to 60 minutes every morning just figuring out where to start. That's not work. That's planning paralysis. AI ends planning paralysis in 60 seconds. You paste your brain dump, you get a plan, done. Here's the exact morning prompt. Copy it now, use it tomorrow morning, it will change how your day starts. And at night, use this prompt to close the day without anxiety. This prompt takes 3 minutes and removes tomorrow's anxiety before you sleep. And if money stress is keeping you up, there's a prompt for that too. This is not financial advice. This is clarity. And clarity removes the anxiety that blocks action. AI doesn't make decisions for you. It helps you think more clearly. You're still the driver. AI is just a better GPS. 3 AI tools worth knowing. ChatGPT for planning and thinking. Notion AI for organizing. 11 labs for audio when you learn on the go. Here's the truth. AI doesn't replace the work. It removes the friction before the work. Less friction means you actually start. 3 prompts. Morning planning, evening close, money calm. That's your AI toolkit for the next 21 days. Now let's talk about the challenge. Because knowing the system is not enough. You need 21 days to make it yours. 21 days isn't random. Neuroplasticity research shows that consistent small actions begin forming new neural pathways within 3 weeks. Your brain physically changes. Week 1. Clarity and calm. Days 1 through 7. You learn to unload your mind, find your priorities, and make your first tiny win every day. Week 2. Consistency without willpower. Days 8 through 14. You build the daily system that works without motivation. Focus blocks. AI prompts. Evening routines. Week 3. Money calm and growth. Days 15 through 21. You tackle the financial stress, set your 90-day goal, and build the habits that create long-term wealth. By day 21, you won't just have completed a challenge. You'll have a working system and a brain that trusts itself again. This isn't about becoming someone else. It's about returning to the version of you that knew how to move forward. That person is still there. To support the 21-day challenge, and there's a free planner. Link is in the description. Brain dump page, priority tracker, focus log, AI prompt cards, 21-day check grid. Subscribe now because the next 21 videos start day one of the challenge. Every day, one video, one tool, one action. We do this together. When you finish today's step, write in the comments, day one done. I will see it. I will reply. You're not doing this alone. You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You have 5 steps, 3 AI prompts, and a 21-day map. That's everything. And on the days when everything feels impossible, the system still works, especially on those days. Today is still day 0. Tomorrow, it all begins. And one day from now, you'll look back and realize that was the night everything changed. You've been here before, standing at the start, full of intention. The difference this time is simple. You have a system, not just hope. Day one is waiting. The version of you that's been waiting to move forward inside is already here. Go find it. Tiny wins.